Pictureception.
Yeah.
Taking a picture of me, taking a picture of the bears.
There's mosquitoes here.
Look at these pretty little face.
I think it's not bright enough to zoom in far on this thing.
They're just giving each other hugs and kisses. Violently.
And people on the boat are probably going, what happened to those hikers and the bears? They don't look like they'd be hungry enough to eat us, though. They're too little. Yeah, right.
You're gonna eat each other.
See what siblings do. That's the way you and your sister should get along. Bite each other in the face. Oh wait, you do.
Okay, I'm getting eaten alive
Yeah.
here.
Maybe we should head back, huh? I don't want to leave. They're so cute. I just don't want something to be important.